Deep cleaning on desktop PC. Thank you, Sir Hardy, for trusting PTTIT Solutions. The desktop PC underwent an extensive deep cleaning and preventive maintenance procedure to restore its optimal performance, ensure proper airflow, and extend the lifespan of its internal components. Over months or years of continuous use, dust and dirt can accumulate inside the system unit, clogging the fans and heat sinks, which lead to overheating, system slowdown, and even hardware failure. Performing regular deep cleaning helps to prevent these issues and maintain the PC's efficiency. The process began with carefully disassembling the system unit. Each component, including the CPU fan, GPU, motherboard, RAM modules, power supply, and storage drives, was inspected and cleaned using safe and proper tools such as compressed air, soft brushes, and anti-static cloths. Special care was taken to remove dust buildup from hard-to-reach areas and delicate electronic parts. Particular attention was given to the cooling system, as it plays a vital role in maintaining stable temperature levels. The CPU cooler and heat sink were detached, and the old thermal paste was cleaned off completely. A new layer of high-quality thermal compound was applied to improve heat conduction between the processor and its cooler. This step ensures that the CPU remains within safe operating temperatures, even during heavy workloads. The power supply unit, PSU, was also cleaned thoroughly to eliminate any dust that may restrict airflow or cause overheating. All intake and exhaust fans were cleaned and tested for proper operation. In addition, the cables inside the case were reorganized to improve airflow and give the interior a neat, efficient layout. The external casing, front panel ports, and air vents were also cleaned to restore the PC's professional appearance. After reassembly, the system underwent a full performance and temperature test to verify the effectiveness of the cleaning process. Results showed improved cooling efficiency, reduced fan noise, and overall smoother operation. This deep cleaning procedure not only enhanced the desktop's cooling performance, but also contributed to its overall stability and reliability. The system now operates more quietly and efficiently, with significantly lower internal temperatures. Regular maintenance like this is essential to preventing overheating, dust-related failures, and reduce component lifespan. In conclusion, the deep cleaning of the desktop PC successfully revitalized the system, ensuring it continues to perform at its best while maintaining optimal thermal and operational conditions. This maintenance will help sustain its functionality for years to come and reduce the likelihood of future technical issues. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.